We started the game good. We were playing good on defense. We were up 7-2. We had easy layup. We missed it, and that's look that just stopped us. That put some pressure on the heads of our players. We led them to outscore us 14-0, and we were playing really bad at that time. But otherwise, I can say that I'm happy about the way how we play defense. We were good on defense. We were quite good on boards, but for sure our offense was far away from what I would like to see.
Lapeta and Sevic was too big for Mažeikiai.
Lapeta?
Yes.
Yeah, he already had problems that first game. Mažeikiai, they are a small team. Everybody's playing outside the three-point line, and for sure that is hard for him. Is that real five-man, and it's hard to play against the guys who are not that.
They for your team was problem, and point guard and shooting guard.
I would say that the problem was shooting of all team. We were missing wide open shots, and that's what you miss when you don't feel confident. And I think after that good start, something happened in the heads. We lost that confidence, and then that was problem for us. He played very good game. I agree. He just has to learn sometimes to slow down. I already told him that when we are up, you don't force passes that are not 100% sure. You are patient, you play, you use the shot clock, but he has to learn.
Kaip visada, ne visada, bet daugumai atveju čia parašė, kad jau šiandien gaunas, kad 9 kartą pralaimėjo mažiau negu 10 taškų. Pergalė būna kažkur arti, bet Fortuna iš tikrųjų galbūt mano atžvilgiu išnaudojo visas kiek be gali, aš galiu išnaudojau tą Fortuną. Kamuolys sukasi, jis pjauna. Ten žaidėjas varosi, pameta kamuolį. Mes gerai žaidėm gynybai su tokia galinga komanda, bet puolimą jie mūsų sukaustė, keisdamėsi mes niekaip negalėjom ne per baudos aikštelę, kadangi baudos aikštelė mūsų ribotas žaidėjų skaičius, kurie gali tenai sužaisti prieš pasikeitimus, bet mes negalėjome mesti ir iš perimetrų. Prieš kelias dienas žaidėm Klaipėdoj, įmetam virš 70 taškų, žaidėm namuos, nesugebam ne 60 taškų surinkti. Prie tokios gynybos 61, kaip sako, šiuolaikiniam krepšinį, turi laimėti rungtynes. Labai lėtai žaidėm, labai lėtai perėmėm iš gynybos į puolimą ir to pasakoja eilinis pralašymas.
Kokį pažymį komandai gynybą parašyti?
7, 8.
Už kovingumą?
Už kovingumą taip pat. 7, 8.
Ar Sandersas liks komandoje šiandien?
Bus sprendžiama.